Hey, for all of you that like to go camping, overlanding, you're going to be sleeping out, you don't want to be directly on the ground. Today, I want to share this oversized cot with you. The bag, it does come with a storage bag here, as you can see. It weighs about 18 pounds, but I like the fact that it'd be very easy to put into your vehicle afterwards. Has a nice strap on it right here for carrying. You can even throw it right over your shoulder. It's very easy to put up. Let me show you what it looks like and just how it feels. And while it's not quite camping season here yet, it is best to be prepared ahead of time. So that's why I have this now. So I am going to show you just in here in my basement what it looks like so that we can be ready for camping this year. First thing to note is I like the material here. It's very heavy duty. And I do know that it is said, this is an oversized cot. It can accommodate up to 440 pounds. So should be no problem for me. I really do like it. It has these Velcro straps that go around it, which is going to make it way easier when you want to put it back into the storage bag. Opens up very easily. If it comes like this, you just want to make sure you pull that all the way down before you lock that into place. So right here on the end, you're going to see it has these nice pockets. It has a big, large one on this side, one over here, along with this mesh pocket, which will make it very convenient for placing things like your phone, charger, wallet, keys, or just some snacks. The frame of this goes all the way to 6'11", so this could easily fit someone who is quite tall. The width of this is 31.5 inches, and the height off of the ground is like 19.5 inches. Let's show you what it looks like with the sleeping bag put on. Perfect, same size as a sleeping bag. Just to give you an idea, I am 5'10". I'm going to go ahead and get on there so you can see just how much room I have and tell you just how comfortable I think it is. If I put my feet all the way to the edge, you can see there's still plenty of space up here. Again, I am 5'10", so if you're over 6 foot, you're still going to have plenty of space. And as you can see, a lot of space on both sides of me here. Can easily fit two of me on here, actually. Well, if you're looking for an oversized camping cot, this one actually comes not only in green, but they also offer it in black. So I hope this video helps you out a little bit and got a chance to see this thing in action.